Welcome to Biochemistry Fundamentals, where we make molecular life make sense. Glycolysis is the 10-step metabolic pathway that converts glucose into pyruvate and serves as the universal first step of cellular respiration. It takes place in the cytosol and can function with or without oxygen, making it essential in both aerobic and anaerobic organisms. The pathway begins when hexokinase, or glucokinase in the liver, phosphorylates glucose into glucose 6-phosphate using ATP, trapping it inside the cell. Phosphoglucose isomerase then converts it into fructose 6-phosphate, which is further phosphorylated by phosphofructokinase 1, PFK1, the rate-limiting enzyme of glycolysis, forming fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Aldolase splits this molecule into two 3-carbon sugars, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, G3P. Because only G3P continues through glycolysis, triose phosphate isomerase rapidly converts DHAP into G3P. Now in the payoff phase, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase oxidizes G3P into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, generating NADH in the process. Phosphoglycerate kinase then performs the first substrate-level phosphorylation to produce ATP and 3-phosphoglycerate. After rearrangement to 2-phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerate mutase and dehydration to phosphoenol pyruvate, PEP, via enolase, pyruvate kinase catalyzes the second substrate-level phosphorylation to produce ATP and pyruvate. The fate of pyruvate depends on oxygen availability. Under aerobic conditions, it is transported into the mitochondria and converted to acetyl-CoA by the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex to enter the Krebs cycle. Under anaerobic conditions, cells must regenerate NAD1 to sustain glycolysis, so pyruvate is reduced to lactate by lactate dehydrogenase in humans, or converted to ethanol and CO2 by yeast during fermentation. Glycolysis is a central pathway because it not only produces ATP quickly, but also provides metabolic intermediates for biosynthesis and energy production, making it essential for biochemistry coursework and absolutely critical for the MCAT.